defense and the rebounding tonight. Obviously, McNeese State does pretty well on the boards, but you know, y'all were able to match them.
You know, Coach Simmons, I have so much respect for him. He's got good, strong, physical kids, and Guidry's an unbelievable player. Hardy's an unbelievable player, and I mean, our guys just decided they were going to compete. And, you know, I mean, they competed extremely hard and extremely well, and just really proud for them, because that's the difference in the game. When you out-rebound a team like them, McNeese, by 8, that's a good day's work.
It seems like, you know, they were making threes to keep it within range, about 10, but y'all didn't let them get really closer than that. What was the key in keeping that distance?
Well, I mean, we made shots naturally, but I felt like they were having to work hard to get those threes, and they were making them. I think they made match just in the first half and the second half. Every time we'd score one, they'd score one, and then they finally missed a few, and we were able to get a rebound. We were able to push the ball forward and get some easy buckets. But you know, there again, it's a battle anytime we play McNeese. They do such a good job, and I mean, you know, we had great games out of many people today. I mean, we got some good minutes out of Ryan King. Matt Killian had a career high, I think, of 10. I may be wrong there. You know, of course, Jalen and Zeke with 25 and 23, and no turnovers and 8 assists for Jalen. Big day with 20 assists, so that was pretty special. And only 7 turnovers, I believe, for the game, so that's really special.
Marvin, it seems like he was kind of old Marvin.
Yeah, you know, he's suffering with a back issue, and I really, you know, we hope that we can get him going, and hopefully we can get him headed back. He can respond and get better and better, because he is such an important part of this team, and when he plays well, we're going to be a lot better. I do feel like that Deji got some minutes and is continuing to improve and get a little bit better, so that's positive.
You mentioned Killian, especially early, Trayvon Joseph.
Yeah, Trayvon Joseph, unbelievable play at the end of the game, but being aggressive and playing with a little bit more confidence. And he's a guy that, you know, if you look all of his numbers, he's a special player, athlete, and everybody always looks at him in warm-ups and looks at him and says, man, that guy is a great player, and he's going to be a great player.
Coming off the Corpus Christi loss, how important, not only was it just to get a win back home, but to have a performance like
we needed something to build, you know, to feel good about, because we played so poorly down there. And, you know, we've had some poor outings, but I think that today, example, people keep making threes against us, but I felt like we contested a lot of those shots. They made them and get confidence. I think this is a great place to shooter's gym, and I think that has something to do with it. But, you know, it was a big win today to be able to get it, because of the fact that we needed one, and then we got another one on Monday, and we can't slip up. Nichols will come in here, and they'll be very aggressive. They always are Achilles' heel for us. They beat us 2 years ago when we went to is it 2 now or 3? 2 years ago when we went to the NCAA tournament. We laid an egg on them, and they just flat pounded us here, and we've got to be prepared to come in and play them, and kids know that we got to get it done.
Jalen has rebounded offensively overall, but how important, especially early, with just the 3-pointers and the momentum?
Well, he just has that look. When he was determined today, and he came in, I felt like, and said, hey, this is our team, but my team, and I've got to do some things to make our guys get going.
And then Zeke, 10 of 15, I mean, when he's that efficient, of course, Jalen's 9 of 15. When you have top scorers that are that efficient, just, you know,
pretty sweet. It makes coaching a lot easier when you got guys who can score.
Appreciate you, sir.